What's up? What up, y'all? Got a new hog today. It's called the Bird. Pretty sweet. Picked this up at Nebraska Furniture Marty for like 500 bucks. Thought that was a pretty good deal. And today, we're gonna go take her for a little rippy rip. Little rip tater skit, you know what I'm saying? Tater rip on a tater chip, you know what I'm saying? Tater ripping. We'll have to see how fast she goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh. 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 What's up, cuh? Oh, so she peters out about 20 mile an hour. Ooh, my balls are getting cold. It's about 30 degrees out here today. Good day for a good old bike ride. Here, we'll take her on up through here. Not too bad. Oh, shit fire. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Whew. Dang, she's pretty quick. Whew, lost my hat. Yeehaw! Oh man, that's fun. I'm gonna have to zip down my hat. There we go. I am speed. Well, 21 mile an hour speed. Yeah. Oh, I hope I don't eat shit. Brakes are pretty good. Whew. Yeah, boy. Get a load of that. That's picture worthy. Back up a little bit. Yeehaw! Got it down now, got it looking back. Swag. Alright. I'll have to get her pokey spin right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's alright. Fuck it. Whew. So not bad for single speed. I'm not sure what it would be like once the battery dies. It's kind of cool. It's got a, looks like a percentage there. Assist is eco. Ooh. Normal. Sport. Well, hot damn, we didn't even have it in sport mode. Oh shit. Here we go. Damn, that's crazy. That was fun.